Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi internet on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start playing offline on your Nintendo Switch 2. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to navigate to where it says System Settings. So click on System Settings. Next, navigate to where it says Internet, and then click on Internet Settings. So you should see the Wi-Fi network that you're currently connected to once this finishes loading. So click on the Wi-Fi network that you're currently connected to, then click on Clear Settings. So once you do this, this is going to delete your connection with the current Wi-Fi network. So as you can see, I've now disconnected myself from the Wi-Fi network. Now, if your goal is to play offline by disconnecting your Wi-Fi, the other option that you can do is that you could actually go into airplane mode, and then you can toggle this on as well so that you don't use Wi-Fi. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and disconnect from Wi-Fi internet on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.